Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a function which will take input as data and it will take input as a path where it should store the output of this function. So the basic idea behind this function is generating the images um, of our variables. So in each data we will have different kinds of variables, that is numerical and categorical. So what this function will do is it will divide the data in numerical and categorical variables, and it will generate the charts accordingly. So for all the numerical data, we are generating histogram and box plot, and for all the other categorical data, we are generating bar plots. So in my previous video, I have explained the basic nature of this function. Like my purpose behind was to create to generate images and store them in a folder. So that's what I have done in my previous video. In this also I'll be explaining the same, but here I have some additional features. So I'll be also focusing on those. So first of all, let me tell you the basic the basic code of this. Then I'll go ahead with the features. So first, it is creating numerical. First, we are creating numerical and dividing the data into numerical and categorical data. And then for every numerical data, we are generating uh, histogram. Here we have taken histogram and I for I in numerical data. Here numerical data is from this data only which we have given in function. We have stored it in data 2 for I location this to complete like the whole data. For numerical data, we have taken it as the data which are not which are containing number, and for categorical data, we have taken as the data which do not contain any number. Before that, I would suggest that you should go through the data set and see that whether if even if it's number, sometimes the data is not categorical. For example, rating can be 1 2 3 4. That means it is a categorical data. So in this case I'm using something like that, so I have made the changes before covering this part. So anyway, this will also do for most of the data. It will also convert numerical number ones to numerical and categorical ones to categorical. Yeah. So after that, this loop is created where for I in numerical data, print I, it will print the column name. Then plot a histogram for that column, for the data in that column. Title should be the column name, X label column name, Y label as count. Then save the data in the path given in the function my path, and save the name as histogram underscore the column name. Suppose it is age, then histogram underscore age. Then it should show the plot. It should plot the all the data in our output, which I'll be showing while running the program. Similarly, we have done for numerical data again for box plot, and for categorical we have taken count plot or bar plot. So here also we are saving the file as save file and giving the path that we have passed in the function and creating the bar plot. So this is what the graph function is doing. Now I'll show you the features that I have added to the graph function so that it becomes better, like we do a better EDA with our dataset. First of all, while running the graphs, we might need the charts for some variables and we might not need some. So what I'm doing, I can select the index numbers while running the code, and um, the code will give us output only for those variables. So here I am giving a list of variables with their indexes. This part of the code will print out the list of variables with their indexes so that the user will know which all indexes to enter. That person will know that okay, I want this one, I will enter this, I don't want this, I don't want to enter this. So for I in range 0 to tf dot shape 1, here like shape 1 means the number of columns, print the uh, print I and print the column name and the index number. Then I'm also giving a list of missing values in the code. So here the we can see the missing values and the column name. So we'll know in which column how many values are missing, and accordingly we can take the decision of generating the chart or not. This function here will will be the one which will take in the list of indexes. So here I have created a list, and then I'm printing enter the index of variable that you want to analyze, enter done to stop the input. So while a is not done, until and unless the user enters done, he or she will be allowed to enter the index numbers. So here a is equal to input, enter the index number, and if a is not equal to done, then we will append the new index number entered by the user to the index list, else we will break out of this. Okay, so also there's one more feature which I have explained in my previous video also, that if the path already does not exist, then the code can create a new path and do it. So let me run the program. We run the function. So index, I think I want, let me check out. Please view the index. Okay. I want age, gender, and distance from home. 0, 6, and 19. So let me do it. 0, 6, 19. Done. Okay, so the folder does not exist. So that's why list of missing values are given. The index are given for each column from which we saw referred and entered. These are the indexes that we entered. So these are the output. Age, distance from home are all numerical variables. So we have histograms for those and also box plots. And for gender, we have a categorical variable. This one. So we have a bar plot. Let's see if the folder got created. Oh yeah. So this is the charts 3. So we have all the images here. So that's all. I'll be uploading the video on. I'll be adding the code in GitHub, so you will not have an issue finding it. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.